We're here today to remove this password from the Samsung screen, or rather from the Motorola. And 13, we're going to show you how. Do you need to remove this open password from your Motorola? Here? It's a really simple procedure. There's no secret. Just follow the step-by-step instructions and you'll definitely be able to unlock it. Also, take out your SIM card and your memory card. As you know, this procedure, as we always say, will erase everything that's stored in its memory. Emergency screen, you can leave it on any screen. This here is a different procedure. What we're used to doing with Samsung, we end up getting a bit lost here. But you can leave it on the emergency screen too, that's not a problem. You're going to press the volume down and the power button together. Wait for it to restart. As soon as it restarts, release the volume down and press the volume up. I release the volume down and press the volume up. The name appeared. On the screen, you release the buttons. Now we're going to navigate here. Let's go to the option Recovery Mode, which is this one. You can press the volume down button or the volume up button, it doesn't matter, because they both let you navigate through the options here until you get to this one. And we're going to go to this one here and confirm. With the power button, let's wait for the device to restart. When you get to this screen, here in the command, you press power. Give a click on the volume up button. Let's go. Click the volume up button. Now scroll down to this option and select factory reset, confirm with power. And on this other screen, scroll down again and confirm once more. On this next screen. This is the last screen. We confirm one more time and that's it. Just the device now. It's already being unlocked. Okay? That's the unlocking procedure. That's the step-by-step process right here. The device will restart and come back on. And no, there won't be any more password on the home screen. Alright? We don't need to let the video play all the way to the end. You'll see it's going to turn on in just a bit. It might take a little while at this stage. But as soon as it turns on, you'll see there won't be any password on the home screen anymore if you need it. If you need to unlock your email or your Google account, we can do that too, even remotely. Our number is in the video description. If you want, you can talk to me. Alright? Thanks. Take care. See you next time.